This is Patty with Sleepy Glen Farm, coming back to you today in the hen house with the roosters. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we need to pull the talons off of WannaBe. Some of my girls in his pen are looking pretty bad. He's been pretty rough with them, and they're missing their feathers on their chest. Thank you, Junior. Around their neck and on their backs really bad. So we need to get the necessary tools together. What you don't want to use is anything that could cut. We are not going to cut these off of WannaBe. We're going to use pliers, and I'm going to hold him upside down. Cody is going to take these pliers, and he's just going to put them kind of near the base, and he's just going to grip it, and he's going to gently, very gently wiggle them until you hear a snap, crackle, pop, and they'll pop right off. The reason why you don't want to cut anything is because there's a little talon coming out of, or their spur coming out of the back of their foot, and it's just like a fingernail growing over the top of it. So you don't want to cut anything close to their skin because you'll cut it off. Trying to get WannaBe right now. So let me come right back to you when we get WannaBe. And here's another reason why we wanted to trim his talons. If you notice her head, she's pretty bald right here. And on her back, you know, he's been climbing on top of her, taking a lot of her feathers out. So you're gonna feel a whole lot better here quick, Missy, okay? All right? Are you okay? Huh? You wanna go back in? Yeah. Let's try that again. Over here. Got him! That's how you catch a rooster. Okay, let's go get some talons off. Trust me, this is not hurting him. He's just so upset that he got caught. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to have Cody use these. And he's just going to put a little bit of pressure on these and give it just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle until you hear the pop. Ready? I'll turn him around so his talons are facing you. Okay. Careful, don't twist his leg so hard. Give it a crunch. There. Okay, all right. See, as you see there, it's just this piece here, okay? It kind of shocked him. It's gonna bleed a little bit, but he's gonna be okay. All right, ready for the next one? Now you know what to do? Let me hold his foot. There we go. We got both of them off. Just like that. Nothing to it. How you doing, WannaBe? I think he's relaxed. What do you think? Okay, so we can put him back in the cage. Can you open the cage for me? Or maybe throw a little bit of food in there so that the girls will go away. Come here, Cody. Come on, tell me what it felt like. Bring me those, or at least one of them. Is it gross? No. So here is just like the little fingernail. You can see it's hollow inside, and it was just growing around his little finger that's growing on the back there. So no harm to the bird. Let's go look at him. The girls are happy he's put back in because he's been out for a few days. Oh yeah, look at him. He's a happy boy. There he goes, checking out his coop. Hey, well, thanks for coming along. Just a real quick short video. Nothing to it. Get your rooster. In fact, when I caught him, I didn't have the camera on me, but Cody kind of... Thank you. Cody kind of... we were getting him trapped, and he was coming in my direction, and I just swooped between my legs. I don't know how I did it. It's just an act of God, I guess, but I grabbed him by his legs and pulled him straight up. He wasn't happy about that, but nevertheless, I got him, and the job is done. The girls are going to feel better, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and come on back and we'll show you some other things we do with the chickens and the greenhouse and other things we do on the farm. Take care and God bless.